Hello everyone and welcome to our OKX tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to open an account in OKX, create a sub-account, transfer your funds there, open an API key, or connect your OKX account directly to FreeCommas. But let's start our tutorial. You can find all of our tutorials here on our main menu on the support center. You can click on tutorials. You'll be transferred here to all of our tutorials. Basic tutorial is the OKX tutorial today, but it's directly connected to our Kraken tutorial and our trading agent tutorial. I'm going to explain to you how in the next steps. So initially, you have to visit the OKX site to sign up for an account. You can do that through clicking on here on this link. Second step, once you land on the dashboard, is go here on the account avatar and select verification. Please, when you submit your info, be sure that your name is exactly typed as it is written on your bank statement and on your proof of residence or utility bill that you're going to send to OKX. Once you get verified, then our third step is to send funds to OKX. You can do that two ways. The first way is to send to buy crypto in OKX through euro. You can do that by going on the upper left side of the screen, click buy crypto, and then click on third party payment. Then you will be taken to this screen, third party payment, where you can select one of these providers to send euro, and you will receive USDT directly in your OKX account. The second option is to follow the way that we have showed you through following our Kraken tutorial, which can be seen here. At the end of the Kraken tutorial, we demonstrate here through this tutorial how to send euro to Kraken and convert them to USDT. And here in this final step, you are going to select Tether, withdraw, TRC or Tron network here, paste the withdrawal address, the amount, and you'll be ready to send your USDT to OKX. In order to do that, of course, you will need the OKX deposit address. So you go to assets on the upper right part of the screen, click on deposit, and then you will be taken here on the screen where you are going to select deposit to funding account. The network will be Tron. You're going to select this address and you are going to copy the address. When you select here, you see here deposit USDT TRC20. So you click on here the deposit address, you go to Kraken or the withdrawal page, you paste this address here, and you send your amount to OKX, and that's it. Your USDT is on your account in OKX. Now, in order to enable futures trading, you go to here assets again on the upper right side of the screen. You click on transfer, and then you are going to send your USDT from your funding account to your trading account. You will see the amount here. Press max transfer, and your USDT are transferred to your trading account. Now, if you wish to use the trading engine, you have purchased a subscription and you're going to use FreeCommas, then just leave your OKX account open in one tab, open a new tab in Google, and go to your FreeCommas account, and you can go here at step 8 where we show you how exactly to do it. You just go to the specific page of FreeCommas. I'm going to show you right now how to do it. It's step 8. While opening the FreeCommas dashboard, you go to My Portfolio, and while opening the My Portfolio, you click on the right up side Connected Chains. You click on Futures, you select OKX, and then the Fast Connect of FreeCommas, the Fast Connect bridge is going to connect directly your OKX account to FreeCommas, and you don't need to do anything else. You are set. Now, if you don't follow this road and you want to connect directly to our copy trading platform or to any copy trading platform, then you go to step 6 and you click on the avatar of the account and you go to sub accounts. Next step, in the creation of the sub account, you are going to give a name to your sub account, give a login ID. It's a username, not an email actually. So a username here, a password, and you select standard sub account, and you also please select here enable deposits through your account. Then next step is once you press create sub account, you are here, you're going to see your sub account created. And please click this, it will help you a lot. It's click on switchable. It will allow you to switch between accounts without having to give any password. Click here this option and then go to transfer. Once you go to the transfer page, then select main and sub account and select to transfer from your main account to your sub account, and then to your sub account main account to the trading account. Here you can select main and sub account. So you select main account trading or main account funding. To sub account trading, you can send funds directly to your sub account trading wallet. Do that, press transfer, and then at the next step, you can go again to the upper side to your account avatar and click here switch account. And by clicking switch account, you can select your sub account. And if you have done that correctly, then in the next page, by going to the avatar, you will see your sub account name and here this label sub account. And the next step then finally to proceed is click on API keys. Here, OKX will ask you to set up 2FA authentication for your sub account. Please do so. If you haven't done it already, download Google Authenticator and follow the directions from OKX in order to enable the 2FA in your sub account. And then you can go back again to the menu, click on API keys, and here you're going to select API trading. You're going to give your API a name and also a passphrase as a password, and also select here, please trade. Once you do that and you click next, you're going to see your API key and your secret key. You can, of course, copy paste them directly by using this button to a Word document, keep them there, and press confirm. And now you have available your API keys in a Word document, and you can copy paste them to any third-party platform you wish to connect to your exchange, OKX exchange sub account. And after that, please delete this document from your computer. So with this tutorial, we complete our OKX guidelines to you on how to open an account and connect a sub account and top up your accounts. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.